Hello Ride On people. One of the regular Ride On crew members and good friend of mine, Erik, recently picked up a 2020 Triumph Rocket 3. Now if that weren't special enough, his particular bike is one of 750 bikes that is a Triumph factory custom version. His is number 446 of 750. So it's a particularly special bike, and I helped him collect it on Saturday morning, and we took it down to my house, gave it a good looking at, removed all the typical stickers that were all over the bike using a hairdryer, and then we applied some F11 sealant to look after that beautiful paint scheme. The bike is absolutely stunning in the flesh, and it varies a little from the standard bike, as you'd imagine. It has an Arrow exhaust system that comprises of carbon covers to the standard hydroformed headers and full carbon fibre end cans, and there's 3 of those, 2 exiting on the right hand side, 1 exiting on the left hand side. Additionally, that bike has a lot of diamond-like coating on the forks, for instance, and has some other extras that the standard bike doesn't have, noticeably the paint scheme, which is absolutely stunning in the flesh, and features a gold pinstripe, which is actually painted by hand by one person at the factory. It's a really stunning finish to the paint scheme. And also has the seat infill sports, seat infill as they call it, which basically replaces the pillion seat to make it look like a solo seat. You still get the regular pillion seat as standard with that particular bike. And then there's a lot that's blacked out in terms of things like the radiator cover, for instance, and the frame aspect, which is silver on the standard bike. Other than that, the components are shared with the regular bike, including the black wheels, the Brembo Stylema brakes, and it obviously works on the six-axis IMU for the cornering ABS. Okay, so having got it home safely and got some protection on the paintwork, it was time for a ride out. And I can say the Rocket 3 was excellent on the road, and it was a real fun ride out, except for when the bike went off the road. Watch the video and you'll see what I mean. Even though it was a freezing cold day, around 34 degrees to begin with, we had a fair turnout of 7 riders, including Jerry on his GSA, Paul on his GS, Erik on the new Rocket 3 Triumph Factory Custom, good friend Wayne on his F6B Honda. I was riding my GSA 1250. We were joined by Bill from the Ducati Owners Club on his Multistrada, and the famous Dr. Charlie on his Road Glide. And this is how we got on.
Well, that Rocket 3 just pulled away from the GSA pretty effortlessly. Yeah, he's thinking about putting it in 3rd gear, I'm sure. Hey, Erik just put his hazards on. They're bright. Because I'm filming Erik. Wow, that's nice. this is pretty nice. Nice, I like it. Good job. What a crazy place to overtake. Wayne. That's stupid. Yeah. That's... Dude. I thought he was down then for sure. That was the most stupid place to overtake. Yeah, I'm back in range now. Yeah, he overtook on the most stupid place when the car was going around a right hand bend. He overtook it through the bend. He was so fortunate there wasn't another vehicle coming, and because it was such a bad line, then on his exit his line was so bad and he couldn't hold it, and then all of a sudden he was off. So yeah, we're all responsible for our own safety at the end of the day, aren't we? We make our own decisions, and that was not one of his not his finest moment. Yeah, I definitely smelled some kind of diaper back here. Yeah, good find, Jerry. This is a keeper. It's a great road. You gotta watch some of those bends though, they'll catch you out. Yeah, 6 cylinders are smooth, but they're no good if you aren't. Hey, this is great. Where's my 252 stroke? I'll tell you what, that Rocket 3 just made mincemeat of those bends. Awesome. Oh, this is beautiful through here as well. It's like the Black Forest or something. Oh, poor old Wayne. We'll have to get off and all give him a hug, I think. He's going to need some coffee to calm his nerves. Yeah, I almost couldn't believe my eyes when I saw him off-road and all this debris flying up, and I thought, wow, you're going home in an ambulance. Well, in all seriousness, I think the thing that saved him is it looked like he kept the throttle pinned. It didn't. Maybe he just didn't have time to roll off or not, I don't know, but he didn't slow down very much, I know that. I was gonna overtake Wayne so I could get some more footage of Erik's new bike, but I'm a bit worried I might miss something if I do. Yeah, I think it's probably on my GoPro, so I've got the GoPro running. That's another one that we can slow down in slow-mo. Oh my god, you okay? You alright, fella? Wow, that was impressive.
Mud, man. 3 feet in the mud doing this. That was a good save, man. I thought there was a chance at least.
We thought you were going home in an ambulance then.
You got mud on your eye. Fuck, you should have. Were you looking at me?
Look, he's
There's a rock on the tight turn.
Alright, look. His foot.
Oh, yeah, well, I mean, I saw him go in, I was like, damn.
You okay? You've broken your foot.
I was just coming around that car, and All of a sudden I look ahead and I see you already off the road.
That was crazy.
Oh, shit, man, I was like, he rode it out.
You did. You rode it right through.
You just don't hit your brakes.
So a fun time was had by all, and we stopped in a little town called Jasper at the Barrel Coffee House, where they brew coffee made from beans that they distill basically and use bourbon barrels, and it gives it that kind of bourbon flavour, but it's not overpowering, and it's obviously not alcoholic, but it's good tasting. And we all parked up, bikes up, as you can see. We've got Jerry, Paul, Eric, Wayne, myself, Bill and Charlie, and a fun time was had by all. And thankfully Wayne kept his bike upright even though his boot suffered a bit. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate all your feedback and support for the Ride On channel. I hope you're already a Ride On subscriber, but if not, please subscribe straight away. And last but not least, ride often, ride carefully, ride on.